आज इस बिल के खिलाफ खड़ा हूं।
We are reaching the fag end of this discussion on this Waqf amendment bill, sir. So the Home Minister, while speaking, said that the KCBC, the Kerala Catholic Bishops Conference, and the CBCI, the Catholic Bishops Conference of India, is supporting this bill. Sir, what exactly they said, sir? They said if there are any provisions in this bill to help the hapless people of Munamba, then it has to be supported. That's all, sir. So the minister mentioned about the grievances of Munambam, sir. The occupants of Munambam request a permanent solution, which necessarily shall not be interdicted by any court, by any reason, including the reason of unconstitutionality of the amended provision. So the occupants of Munambam purchased the property at Munambam and having valid title deeds, which were registered as early as in the year 1918 and 93. So during the said period, the said properties were not included in the asset register of Waqf Board. So the above properties were registered in the Waqf Asset Register during the year 2019 on the basis of the recommendation of the Inquiry Commission named Nisar Commission. So there is ambiguity in Section 51, Section 51A and Section 52 of the Waqf Act as to whether the transfer became void ab initio if that transfer is in regard to a property which is not included in the asset register or not. By making such clarification in the above sections, sir, the entire issue can be sorted out. Sir, simply by making ambiguous provisions unambiguous, and it can be done without affecting any fundamental rights of the Muslim community, sir. Only because of the reason that the bill is circulated belatedly, sir, we were not able to place the amendment within the time as stipulated in Rule 78 of the Rules of Procedure Lok Sabha. I request the Minister to make necessary amendment in the said provision without affecting any of the rights of our Muslim brothers and sisters. Sir, please, sir, what is this, sir? Sir, I have been very patiently waiting since this afternoon. You have given time to all the members to speak. You are only cutting me out. Sir, please, 1 or 2 minutes, sir. Sir, the amendment carried out through this Waqf Act 2025 is very much in conflict with the fundamental right prescribed in Part 3 of the Constitution, including violation of Article 25, 26, 29, and there is every probability of declaring the same as unconstitutional by the Supreme Court on the test of Article 13 of the Constitution, and also due to non-conformity with the constitutional provisions. Sir, the Home Minister said that the government is trying to uplift the minorities. Sir, I have a whole list of attacks starting from 2014 to latest this 31st March on the Christian and Muslim minorities in this country, sir. I am positive, due to paucity time, I am not going into all the details. Sir, Clause 2A, in which the trusts are being taken out of the ambit of this law, and also on Clause 34, which gives a clear provision for appeal. Well, we have no quarrel with those provisions, but there are issues, sir, which I would like to point out, sir. Section 3F, the definition of government organization in the Section 3FA is so wide that even an autonomous body under the central or state government can raise a claim against a Waqf property. Sir, Clause R of Section 3, inclusion of the word showing or demonstrating that he is practicing Islam for at least 5 years, creates an opportunity for anyone to challenge a dedication by any person, and the words are highly ambiguous, sir. The word practicing Muslim has a far-reaching implication. Whether a Muslim is practicing or not is subjective. Sir, proviso to Section 3, there is no provision for registration of existing Waqfs by you, sir, which are not yet registered. There should be a provision for registration of existing Waqfs by you, sir, which are not yet registered, by fixing a time period for such registration. Sir, Section 3C, unbridled power has been given to the district collectors or the designated officer to conduct an inquiry, even without hearing the mutawalli or the persons interested, to determine whether a property is a Waqf property. So no appeal provisions are provided therein against the report of the designated officer, sir. Even the correction of revenue records can be carried out without intimating the Waqf holding the property. So this may finally lead to a situation that any...
दोनों चल रहे हैं सर, एक तो बंद करवा दो कोई। धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष जी।
ओके
अध्यक्ष जी,